Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Firni. It is simple, it is yummy, it's easy to make, and the ingredients are some full cream or full fat milk, Suji or Semolina, and I have soaked this for 10 hours in the water, just regular water. Just soak your Suji 10 hours, 8 hours is a minimum, and you can do it overnight. It's gonna be better. And then we also need some coconut powder. Condensed milk is optional. You can use or you can just avoid it. Sugar and some green cardamoms. When you are adding, if you are adding condensed milk to your Firni, Suji Firni, then just play around with your sugar. You may not need to add sugar, but I will suggest not to add the whole can of condensed milk to the Firni. I'm using just 1 cup of semolina. So let me take you to the stove so we can get started. I have a non-stick pan, or just use a pot. It has to be non-stick for better result. Then your milk is not gonna burn. Turn the heat over low, and this has to cook over low heat. Add the milk, add the green cardamom. I'm using like 7. You can use between 6 and 8. And then the Suji, the semolina, I have throw the water, and we're gonna add this to the milk as the milk is still cold. Mix, and we're gonna let this cook. It's been 10 minutes, and I have not stopped stirring this. You have to keep stirring, babysit this until the end of the cooking, because it's going to be it's gonna burn and also create lumps, big lumps. So just keep stirring it. And now I'm gonna add condensed milk. I'm not gonna add the full can. I'm gonna add just approximately just like half can. Okay, actually this is a little bit more than half can. And now I'm not gonna add sugar. I'm gonna let this cook again, keep it stirring, and then I'm gonna go test the sugar, the sweetness after. And if I need sugar, I'm gonna add, or if I'm not, if I don't need sugar, then I will not add any sugar. Just play around with your sweetness level and continue cooking. And it's been another 10 minutes, and now you can see how thick is the Firni. And you won't believe me, I end up adding the whole can of condensed milk, because I did test it and I feel like I need more sweetness. And instead of adding sugar, I have added the leftover from the can. And now I'm gonna try this again, and let's see. This is so good. Add 2 more tablespoons of sugar. Actually, that's enough. And like I said, you can just try and see if you need sugar, or you're good with 1 can of condensed milk. And now get your small little bowls ready. As soon as this is done, it's gonna take another like 2 to 3 minutes. Heat off, and I have switched to a different spoon so I can grab the Firni, and then right away in the bowl or in a little plate, however you like it, just like that. You can add dry raisin on top and coconut powder. I'm just gonna add coconut powder. If you add dry raisin, you have to serve it right away, because it's gonna the taste gonna change the next day if you keep the raisin in it. some coconut. I would suggest to divide all of the firni in a small bowl as which you're going to serve, because if you keep it too long in the pot, they will be get a little bit thicker. It still is spreadable, but the best way to do it is right away after your firni has been cooked, and it is super creamy, tasty, and so yummy. I have already tried from the spoon, and these are for later. Let them set. It is super hot. You guys know the ingredient will be down below in the description box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. It is free, and like the video if you did like it, and I will see you next time. Bye.